Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft account with the error code 0x80048823 and Windows computer. So this Microsoft with the error code 0x80048823 in Windows is an authentications error that usually appears when a user tries to sign in to a Microsoft service like the Microsoft Store or the Xbox app. This error indicates problem with the Microsoft account as sign-in process open due to an unstable internet connections, incorrect login credentials, or a temporary issues with the service. And the common causes include internet connections, incorrect date and time, account issues, app cache and data or VPN or proxy. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here you need to type this command keyword WS reset. And then you need to click open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword WS reset to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings and to fix this error. Okay, so once you're done here at Microsoft, if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to adjust the date and time. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open this Windows settings. And then once you open up here at Windows settings, and then you need now to select this time and language, and then you need to tap. And then once you open up here at time and language, so here now at date and time, and then current date and time, so we need to toggle the switches set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Then you can see here this set time automatically, then we need to enable or toggle this button on right corner. Same with set time zone automatically. Once you're done here again, here on settings, then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair or reset the Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type Microsoft Store, and then you need to right click, and then you need to tap or click this app settings. And once you open up here at Microsoft Store app settings, at here at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to scroll down, and then here at reset. So if this system component isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. And then next step, then you need to tap or click this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And then after that, then if the system component still isn't working right, then the time to reset. Then you need to tap again or click this reset button here, and then click, and then pop up this notifications that this will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then you need to tap this reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so you can see now that repair and reset is totally complete here at Microsoft Store. Then we need to close, and then we need to restart this PC by clicking this power button here and click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.